आनीक विशय चर्चेन हांव म्हणल्यार तो ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप हाजेर तुमी कशें पळयता सर?
हांवें काल एक इंटरव्यू दिला तेचेर जो पळयत जाल्यार हांवें सांगलां की सिटीजनशीप एक्ट जो आसा तो सिटीजनशीप एक्ट ग्रांट्स OCI स्टेटस टू एनीबडी हू होल्ड्स अ सिटीजनशीप ऑफ अनदर कंट्री. गोंयान पर्टिक्युलरली 1961 जेन्ना गोंय लिबरेट जालें आनी गोंय इंडियेचो पार्ट जालें, नाव वी आर इंटेग्रल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, बट गोवा हॅज बीन ट्रिटेड डिफरंटली. गोंयाक आज आमी अजुनूय पोर्चुगीज सिवील कोड जो आमी कॉमन सिवील कोड म्हणून समजता, it is uniform civil code is only applicable within the state of Goa, and Indian laws were made applicable to state of Goa in the year 1962 by way of a law which was brought by the Indian government, making Indian laws applicable to state of Goa. So OCI card as good as dual citizenship only, कारण OCI card प्रमाणे anybody can walk in and come out if they have OCI card holder, except that they cannot vote, they cannot buy land which is agricultural land, and there are certain other restrictions FEMA under Assam. And income tax law treats you differently. You are treated with a TDS कितें तूं विकता जाल्यार 20% TDS करचो पडटा. This is the difference as far as OCI card is concerned. So dual passport दिवपाक इंडियन गव्हर्मेंटाक सिटीजनशीप एक्ट अंडर गोंयकारांक पर्टिक्युलरली सेपरेट ट्रीट करून इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी very possible. It is not an impossible task. Portugal already recognizes dual citizenship. India does not recognize dual citizenship. That does not mean that Indian government cannot amend Citizenship Act to grant particularly Goa एक separate state, एक entity अशी declare करून Citizenship Act can be suitably amended. And this is also possible from view of the fact that Goa has been different. गोवा आजूय रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री पेक्षा डिफरंट आसा, कारण आमचे पर्सनल लॉज जे आसा ते पोर्चुगीज सिवील कोडा अंडर येता, आनी वी बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया मच लेटर, दॅट इज इन 1961 एज आय सेड. सो I think it is very simple to do all these things. It is possible if there is a political will, if there is a political intention, this is very much possible.